What is going on today, everybody? Today we're here in Lynchburg, Virginia. We're going to be going around and doing our regular thing, stress testing the First Amendment right to record in public, seeing how the public and or the public officials act if they do arrive. So as usual, thank you for being here and stick around. This should be a good one. She's backing up.
Source video title: 3 cops harass 1 man with camera on sidewalk. Source video link: https://www.com/watch v=e/z rd7
That's very nice. How long is she gonna keep it going? She or he, I can't even really tell. Hopefully you guys can still see it.
The video begins in Lynchburg, Virginia, as the auditor introduces a First Amendment stress test in a public space. He explains his intent to record reactions from people and officials while observing how they respond to filming. The setup creates immediate anticipation for confrontation in a busy public environment.
Hold on, I'm gonna test something. I'm gonna walk over to the other side. See if she goes all the way. Got her on a leash. What am I doing? Do you not know what I'm doing? There you go. I don't think anybody does anything without a reason. Obviously, you have a reason for doing what you're doing. Tell her we got a crazy lady out here videotaping too.
Early moments show movement and subtle reactions as people become aware of the camera. From a third-person view, the auditor adjusts positioning and continues filming openly while bystanders show curiosity and uncertainty. The atmosphere stays calm but slightly tense as awareness begins to spread.
You want to know what the difference between my video and your video is? Yours is going to get deleted later. Mine will get hundreds of thousands of views.
Excuse me?
You're excused. If I had an award to give you for the longest Karen comeback, I'd give it to you right there. You got it. You won.
If I had an award to give you for the weirdest person on the streets today, you'd never give it. Yeah, that's what's weird.
Have a good one.
I hope you get the help you need.
Thank you. You as well. Have a good one. Much love? Is that what her license plate says? Oh. We got somebody at the bank. I don't know if she was trying to talk to me or something, but...
The situation escalates into direct interaction as the auditor engages with a skeptical individual. A verbal clash begins over filming motives and public behavior. The tone becomes more confrontational, with sarcasm and pushback from both sides, highlighting early conflict over recording in public spaces.
What's up? Am I filming people at the ATM? Yeah, that's what this phone's doing right now. Yep. Why? Because I'm stress testing our First Amendment right to the freedom of press in public. It's the same one that gives you the right to ask random strangers questions. Can you what? I'm sorry, I couldn't. Of course. You can ask anybody anything you want.
Scene shifts near a bank where another person questions filming at sensitive locations like ATMs. The auditor explains First Amendment rights in public while the bystander raises concerns about safety and privacy. This segment builds tension around legality versus public discomfort.
Common courtesy? It's common courtesy not to tell people what to do or talk to strangers either, but I didn't say anything about that. Nice. Thank you for joining in on the activism today. That's exactly what we need, is more people joining in. Thank you very much. I'm glad to see you support our constitutional rights. Take it easy, Cupcake. You want to know how I know that now? Because you just told me, right? So what could I possibly be doing from the sidewalk that endangers those clients of yours in any way? What could that be?
I'm not sure what you're saying.
So you're scared of things you don't know? Really?
Anybody should be.
Well, I really don't envy your way of walking around the world scared all the time, man. I'm sorry about that.
Things do scare me, absolutely.
I'm sorry, man.
You never know how people are going to react. You never know what people are going to do. Some people are just nuts. Other times there are people that are taking their day filming random strangers and random bank transactions.
Conversation intensifies as the auditor challenges common courtesy arguments restricting filming. Another individual expresses fear about unknown intentions, while the auditor defends public recording rights. From an observer's view, this becomes a clear clash between fear-based perception and legal rights.
All right, well, have a good one telling people what to do. Oh boy. Bedford police. Missing a back panel. Must have got into an accident pretty recently. I think this guy is like trying to walk backwards so the camera can't see him or something. I'm not too sure. Hey, what's going on? How can I help you?
Hey, no, you mind keeping your hands out your pocket for me?
What's going on?
I ask you about. You mind getting your hands out your pocket? For me?
What's wrong?
We just got a call from Truist about somebody video and access
Yeah.
here, and I was just touching base with you, seeing what you were doing.
Oh yeah. All right.
What are you doing?
Well, you just said what I was doing. You said you knew what I was doing.
Is there a reason why your video?
Of course. I don't think anybody does anything without a reason. Come on now.
How you doing, man?
How's it going?
So yes, sir. I was just asking.
Can I just get your name and badge number again?
Officer
Sorry.
Thomas,
Thomas. What was the badge number?
PD 36.
PD 36.
Yes,
Sergeant Blackford, PD9.
Sweet. Thanks.
So, I don't know. He just walked up. Did he explain why we're here?
Not really.
Somebody called.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Huh?
Someone called. I see you're filming. You don't have to answer any questions or anything like that. It's fine. You're on a public sidewalk. You can film all day long. And you don't have to. You know, you can continue doing it. If you step foot on the property, obviously they're going to want you to probably leave because it is private
I mean,
property.
nobody said that to me yet.
I got you.
Jeez, wow.
You could film.
Wow, we must have a serious situation here.
You're fine.
Three officers, one phone.
No, he's clearing up.
I just asked him why he was filming. I didn't get a clarification.
That's fine. That's fine.
Tell me, what does that answer change for anything?
Nothing. I was just asking because the people called concerned, so I was just talking to you, coming to have a regular conversation.
I'm just curious.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all. We're just basically doing due diligence.
Just
that's all.
curious out here.
Well, I mean, we're not curious. People that called in probably were concerned that you were filming.
Yeah.
We get these calls, every now and then. It's not really that huge.
So it looks like it's a
a
dispatch
in this-
issue then.
No, it's not dispatch. If
No?
somebody calls 911 or if somebody calls and they dispatch an officer, we got to respond.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
And
So I can tell you that I could call the Bedford Police Department and tell them I need help tying my shoe, and they're gonna come.
I mean, so it depends.
Or somebody's
Sometimes-
walking with their shoes untied, and I think that's illegal.
Well, I mean,
Are you still gonna come then?
it's possible.
It's
If somebody needs-
possible.
if
Oh, it's
somebody needs-
possible.
yeah,
It's not definite now. Now it's not definite. Okay.
If it's a public service call,
Okay.
I think
So
that's-
right, like I said, need help
Right.
tying my shoe. You'd come? Is that what you're saying? Is that what
Well,
you're
I mean,
saying?
It depends on what it is. You need help tying your shoe?
I'm talking
The
figurative.
auditor continues moving through the area, observing reactions and surroundings. Subtle behavior changes occur as people become more aware of filming. The tone remains observational but prepares for escalation as attention shifts toward law enforcement involvement.
Here. I'm just comparing it
so
kind
am I.
of on the same level of conversation as, hey, somebody's recording. We need help. We need police officers. That's
Well,
kind of on the same level
Would
there.
you agree that...
That's kind of on the same
well,
level.
Would you agree that if somebody's filming in front of a bank,
Yeah.
it might concern somebody?
No.
Would you agree that that's possible?
No.
And my conversation was based on you may be a videographer.
Well,
so I
yeah.
didn't know.
And it is... Hang on for just 1 second.
Is it? Are you like supervisor here?
I introduced myself as Sergeant Blackford.
Okay.
Did you hear what I said earlier?
I did. Yeah,
Okay.
I did.
All right. I just want to make sure you're listening. So, in this day and age,
Mhm.
okay, and I see everybody has YouTube channels. Okay,
Yeah.
It could be completely innocent. All right.
All right.
And that's fine. So, but in a small town or maybe even in a bigger municipality, someone
Yeah.
might call concerned if you're filming a government building, if you're filming a bank. Banks, they're notorious for getting robbed, right? This one was actually Atlantic Union. We have a lot of check fraud that goes on, stuff like that.
So is that something? Is that something that
I'll
you
just
saw,
explain.
like in the
Yeah,
last
hang-
situation? You saw the guy who
hang on,
robbed the
hang
place
on.
standing on a
No,
sidewalk
hang
before,
on. We had a
beforehand.
guy filming the Army Reserve Center at some point.
Yeah.
Okay. he kind of messed up and stepped foot on the property there, so that's a problem. All right, you can film
Step
all
foot.
day.
Wow. Step foot on the property while filming. Whew.
Well, I mean,
Got a serious situation there, don't we?
Are you familiar with private property and public property, right?
Please don't. Please. Please.
I mean, are you? I'm asking.
Please don't be condescending. All right.
I'm not being condescending. I'm
No,
just asking
it
a
wasn't.
question.
That was a legit question.
All right.
Yeah.
And
I
I
am.
told you earlier, you can film all day long on the sidewalk, but I'm explaining why we're here. Okay. If you don't.
Police arrive after a public call and begin a formal interaction. Officers confirm the auditor is on a public sidewalk and explain why they must respond to such complaints. A detailed discussion follows about public concern, private property boundaries, and dispatch protocols, leading to a clear legal clarification.
If you would like to tell us,
When you came up to me, did you guys have your body cams rolling?
mine's rolling right now.
It is.
Yes, sir.
And you're pointing over there towards the bank.
We're pointing actually at you.
Well, no, this guy, he's pointing right at the bank.
I get it.
Oh my, dude, did you go and ask their permission? Did you do that?
All right. We'll cut to the chase here, sir. All right. You're not doing anything.
We'll cut to the chase. You guys are dismissed. You guys are all good.
You're not doing anything illegal.
You guys are
okay?
dismissed. Thank you. Thank you. Standing
I
on the
assume you
sidewalk
probably
using my
don't
phone.
want to identify who you are. Is that correct?
Like I said, not going to answer any questions, and you guys are dismissed.
Okay. All right. Well, you have fun with your YouTube channel. Hopefully,
Thank you very much.
Hopefully you get a lot of views.
Oh, trust me, you'll find it. You'll see it. You'll hear about it.
You have a good day, man.
Thank you. You as well. Hey, I appreciate you trying to wrap it up nicely, man.
Yep. Have a good day.
No, not you. 3 units. 1 guy with a phone. Hey, that's some good coordination right there between the both of you. Oh boy.
Hope you're famous one day, brother.
Already there. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys this next part because of YouTube's guidelines and because of an ongoing investigation. Just make sure you go and hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss the update on what happened in this clip and the updates as soon as I get them, and so you never miss the latest and the greatest from the best to the best. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Counter concludes as officers confirm no wrongdoing and leave the scene. The auditor reflects on the interaction while maintaining a confident stance on his rights. The video ends with a suspense-style outro teasing ongoing developments, leaving viewers expecting continuation.